little videos to help all of you get lower in center splits. So if you are up here or getting pretty close, but those last 2 inches are just thwarting you, then this little stretch exercise will hopefully help you get down a little lower. All right, so first, all you need is a nice flat surface and a wall. All right, we're gonna use this wall as a reference for all of our stretches today. So first off, we're gonna just stand up and get our feet up against the wall and our butt as well. And keep your booty attached and your feet, knees straight, slide all the way down to your lowest split. Here, we're just gonna kind of check underneath to see how far away we are from the floor. There's a little reference there, that way we can check and see at the end and make sure that all these stretches are helping us get down a little lower. All right, so from here, we're gonna go into froggy position. But unlike our normal frogs where our feet are touching, we're gonna just keep our feet up against the floor, the wall here, knees on the floor, and making a little rectangle position. It's almost like you're doing a grand plie in second. Now we're gonna hold this for about 30 seconds. All these stretches you can always hold for longer for better results. And a lot of my stretch classes will usually hold this for a minute to up to 5 minutes, depending on how deep of a stretch we're doing. All right, so after holding this froggy position, we're gonna keep one leg just as is, and then the other leg we're gonna extend out like so. All right, so this just kind of gives us a little bit of a deeper stretch on the one side of our groin in the froggy position. But this is, and you notice this leg's still in line with the hip, all right? So it's a nice straight line right across from the knee. Now, we're gonna also take our arms and stretch them out like so, and then we're gonna just slide our right shoulder through and lay on the right shoulder. And hold this. Almost there. Set your arms. Very slowly pull that leg back in to the froggy position. So your foot's planted on the floor and your knees bent. Now we're going to extend our left leg out to the side. Same exact way, lined up with your hip, so your knees and straight line across your body. Now this time we're going to stretch our arms out and we're going to slide our left arm through because we're doing the left leg and then rest on our shoulder. So by resting on our shoulder here, just pushing a little bit deeper into that left groin area. So it's a little more intense of a stretch. And there's a regular froggy position. You can always do reverse froggies where you're laying your back and you can your knees up and have a partner also pushing knees down. That helps a lot as well. Trying to get your center splits. And of course, you need a partner. And I know right now in quarantine, everybody does. All right, almost done with this side. Just nice deep breaths. What are we doing? Your muscles up. And keep them relaxed so we can get a nice deep stretch. Very good. Now we'll slowly pull that one back in and rest it up against the wall. Now I'm going to slide out to our center split and walk ourselves back so our feet and our butt are all touching again. And then let's check again. Ooh, nice. So I got about 1.5 inches lower just from holding those for a little bit. So if you hold each of those two little frog positions with the one leg fully extended for at least a minute, you're going to get at least 1 inch lower and see a lot better results. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed our center split a little exercise today. Happy stretching. See y'all later.